Solar by Green Greg here, and normally we talk about heating a pool with solar. But what if your pool gets too hot? Today I'm going to teach you how to cool your pool with solar pool heating. Let's get into it. Okay, so let's talk about cooling your pool with solar. So you'll notice here it says water temperature 93 degrees and solar heat off. Target temperature 83 degrees. I should mention, by the way, that the water temperature will not be accurate if the pump is not on and passing water over the temperature sensor, okay? So just keep that in mind, because sometimes you'll get some wacky numbers that are over 100 degrees. That doesn't mean your pool is 100 degrees. It might mean that your pump is off. Let's set this up for cooling. So the first thing you want to do is hit menu. Shows heating menu. Press the down arrow till we get to cooling menu. Press enter. Arrow again. Enable, disable. Press enter. And let's press the up arrow to enable and press enter. You have to press enter. Now it shows solar cool enabled. Okay, and from here click the menu button. Okay, it says solar cool off and shows a water temperature 93. If you want to set the temperature, all you gotta do is use the up and down arrows like I'm doing here, and you can set your target temperature. That's all there is to it. Right now it's very hot outside as I'm doing this, but we have our pump set to run at nighttime, okay, because the night hours are cooler. So when the rooftop is at least 5 degrees or so difference, and the pool will move this solar valve to the on position, okay? There has to be about 5 degrees or so difference, okay, for that valve to move. You do need to set up your pump to run nighttime hours, and have a separate video on that. So basically, you know, from 9 o'clock onwards or 10 p.m. onwards, run the pump, okay? So the pump does have to be on in order for the solar touch to operate. I hope you found this video helpful. Solar by Green Greg here, and on this channel we cover home solar PV and battery, solar pool heating, and energy efficiency. And I do it all without any sort of sales talk or clickbait. If that's you, you just want information, hey, click that thumbs up and hit that subscribe. See you next video.